Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Bosch GST 108V Li jigsaw. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. It is extremely compact and lightweight with perfect handling and manoeuvrability in curves, yet its high performance ensures fast sawing progress and long battery runtime. The position of the grip enables users to work especially close to the workpiece for more precise tool control and optimised sawing from underneath. The features and benefits include the following. It has an adjustable 3/4 stage pendulum action for tear-free cuts, and a robust aluminium base plate for better glide. It is suitable for straight and curved cuts with mitre angles up to 45 degrees, and the grip position is exceptionally close to the cutting line, thus allowing especially precise cutting. The LED light provides outstanding view of the cutting line as well as ensuring maximum precision. It can be used in conjunction with compatible dust extractors to maintain a clean, healthy working environment. Electronic motor protection protects the motor against overload, and the Bosch electric cell protection protects the battery against overload, overheating and deep discharge for longer life. The specifications include the following. The battery capacity is 2 Ah, the battery voltage is 10.8 volts, the cutting depth in wood is 70mm and the cutting depth in aluminium is 3mm. The stroke rate at no load is 1500 to 2800 SPM. The weight including the battery is 1.5 kg, and finally the manufacturer's part number is 06015A1001. Founded in 1898, Bosch opened its first international office in central London. Every one of Bosch's group business sectors has a presence in the UK. Mobility solutions, consumer goods, energy, building technology and industrial technology. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.